Hello guys, my name is Sukanya Naikar and also known as Technical Kanyaa. Today in this video we are going to learn how to build a website using AI tools and how to compile it on browser so that you can rectify it again and again whatever changes you are looking to do. This time we are going to build a website for an education institution, a premium or you can say a professional website for an edtech business. Now let's begin with the practical things of building a website using AI tool. Let me share you the screen. So for this task we need three important tools. First is ChatGPT. Okay, so we are having a new chat. Second is we are going to use Queen AI for website development. Queen, okay. We have to select here as a web developer. It will went to the studio. And other thing is we need, if we have to change some if we have to make some changes in the content, then probably we need a vscode.dev, so that whatever changes we are intend to do can be easily edited the HTML file using this VS Code, which is completely free online. All these tools are completely free to build an website or landing pages, the templates and everything. Now let's first start with the ChatGPT. Share the requirement to ChatGPT. Hi, we are looking to build an professional website for our educational institute. The Also, we can give the, if already company is organized, if we already have decided the brand color, typography and all, we can give it the typography and brand color to the chat GPT and it will be give the prompt. Use the brand color green and let's say not green, it's a educational, yeah, green, teal green and dark blue. ठीक है, of white background. Okay, now we need to ask it that give me a prompt to generate a website using Queen AI. Okay, uh, for that, sorry, give us prompt to build an website using Queen AI. No gradients. Also, we need to tell what we don't want in the website. So sometime what happen is, if we build using a prompt or using AI to prompting and using the AI tools, so what happen is it also creates some kind of glitches, or you use or the it use gradients and everything which we don't require. So no gradient, no gimmick, professional website, simple and clean design. Okay, design. Now let's see the prompt. So yeah, it's given the prompt: design and develop a premium enterprise grade website for modern educational institute. The design philosophy should be inspired by Apple education. So these are some kind of theme that AI knows and it use it as a design for the website development. So see this. So what prompt actually is does? So website should communicate trust, a- academic excellence, professionalism, modern execution, practical learning, industry credibility, everything. It's no. Um, Design theme minimal and everything. Avoid gradients. This. Okay. Large white space, color palettes, typography. Everything is mentioned. The size of the layout also and everything. Now let me do one thing. We'll copy paste this prompt on Queen AI. Okay. We just copied the prompt and it's already website developer. Let's paste here and let it run. It takes some time to write the entire HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code, and after that only, once the coding has been prepared, after that only we can check the output, or we can simply preview it. Now first is learning the structure and the requirement of the website development, then later it will start compiling the codes and everything. It take times like 5 to 10 minutes to compile the whole code, and then we can get the output actually. But let's wait and see it. Meanwhile, I would like to share with you that already I have created one website for agency, and I have published those website on the hosting and server. Let me show you that. Okay. So this is the website which is using Queen AI and Chat GPT. We have built it. It's an website for marketing agency. See, performance marketing build on website. So the hero section, this is called the hero section. How this hero section is simply and eye-catching for the users to hook on the website and scroll down and read the sections and all. So simply it's mentioned about us, about the company. So whatever things is mentioned. And it's also, I did nothing, any changes in the designs and everything. Every layout, everything you are seeing on it, the color, the text, everything is designed and created. And see, very simple, very neat and clean. Understand the requirement of our um, task, and then it simply giving the prompt and executive. See, specialized playbook for high growth industry, a strategic growth partner, not an ads manager. Whatever. See, this is everything. SVG is also created by its own. The simple, the neat and clean SVG file. Definitely, it's a very good opportunity for website developer to learn AI tools so that it will be helpful for you in your work delivery and project deliveries and everything. Each and every element, it is just note about the brands and brand color, brand missions, typography, brand guidelines, and everything. And it created the simple, eye-catching, and professional premium website for an agency. And after that, I also created single pages for about service and other menu type. What see, for case studies, I have dropped that web page. See, this is something when the user came to our website and website is still under construction, we can use this page to show to the user. See how it's easy and to build a website using AI tools and chat GPT. So let's get back to the chat. Yeah, after he had read everything about the requirement, the typography, the color palettes and everything, now it's compiling the code. It will take few more times to compile the code. Minimum 10 to 15 minutes it takes. 5, 10, 15 minutes it takes to compile the whole code and then give it to us as a preview. We can check the previews and everything. Each and everything it is created. Now I have all the images. Let me build the complete premium educational institute website. So this is something it is created. How things get easy for us, for especially for website developer, digital marketers, social media marketers, performance marketers, to use AI tool to deliver a better results and output. And one more thing is we also need to tell it that the website should be mobile friendly, because nowadays many of about 70 to 75 percentage of population use mostly the mobile rather than the desktop or laptop. So yeah, the code is ready, the website is ready. Now let's preview it. Let's see the preview. So see how simply see how simple and it understood the requirement of us and created the website. So apply now button, over effect is also there. Okay, link effect is also there. The hero sections. If we want hero sections to be very little bit eye catchy or engaging to the users, then probably we need to command again to rectify these changes. We have to put it the changes that needed. It's all about how you communicate or how you command to AI for the task, for the work. And see, the hero section is there with very good headlines, the button, explore program by the numbers. So some of the counters is also there. Why this? Why this education institute? So these are some of the features, USPs. Program built for the work that matters. So programs is also there. How will you learn? So learning experience is also there. So step by step learning is hands-on practice, hands-on projects, case studies, industry tools, mentorship, a placement process, not a placement promise. Good. So it's everything mentioned very transparent. So when user or student visit this website, it will genuinely feel that the website and the institutes are really keeping the transparency. Profile build, skill assessment, interview preparation, employer connect. Okay, everything is mentioned correctly. The hiring partner across industries, student metrics and everything. Each and everything is simply testimonial of the students and the clients. Faculty, taught by faculty profiles also there. The FAQs, accordions, use and FAQs, the footer call out, CTA, the footers, the links, social icons. If you don't want the social icons to be presented here, you can simply ask or shift that social icon to here. You can simply type shift the social icon below the about section in the footer, below the about of the footer section. So this way you can keep changing and you can keep building the website simply. Okay, so yeah, that's it. We have learned how to build a website using AI tools. Thank you so much for watching this till end. You can subscribe for more such tutorial videos where I will be teaching how to use AI for digital marketing career. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.